How to initiate your staking interest release for fixed staking. Step 1. Open your crypto wallet, MetaMask, Trust, TP, or others. Step 2. Tap Discover or Browser. Step 3. In the browser address bar, go to Orizon DeFAI. Step 4. Click Enter DApp. Step 5. Tap the menu icon. Step 6. Select Fixed Stake. Step 7. Scroll down and tap Unstake Interest. Step 8. Enter the amount you want to unstake. Step 9. Tap Unstake. Step 10. Tap Confirm to confirm the transaction. BNB gas fee required. Step 11. Scroll up and tap the menu icon. Step 12. Select Flexi Stake. Step 13. Scroll down and tap Claim Interest. Step 14. Choose the number of days for your interest release. Note, shorter durations may incur higher acceleration fees. Step 15. Tap Claim Interest. Step 16. Confirm the final transaction. BNB gas fee required. You can scroll down to track the release progress and view your pending interest. Congratulations! You've successfully initiated your staking interest release for fixed staking.